No more buckets and tarps. No more water or smell. No more hassle. The Dropmaster DM12 makes replacing sprinklers easy. After draining your sprinkler system, simply connect the DM12 to your drain and wait for the system to get to vacuum before proceeding with your removal of sprinklers. The air pulled through the sprinkler system by the DM12 and the vacuum it creates will carry trapped water with it. The pump inside the DM12 will then discharge the collected water where you want it. When done for the day, drain any remaining water in the drum, drain any oil collected from the muffler, top off the oil in the vacuum head reservoir, and clean the Y strainer basket on the suction line. This will ensure your DM12 remains in good working order and is ready to go for the next job. And built to last right here in the United States. The Dropmaster DM12 will quickly become one of your favorite tools. Order yours today. Contact Dine Fire Protection Labs for current pricing information and lead times. Parts and repair services are also available.